Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick how-to on our tools. This video is about the multi-channel marketing dashboard. You'll find all the tools under free tools and then just select multi-channel marketing dashboard. How to use the tool? You'll need two data uploads. One is your channel performance data and one is your monthly goals. I'll link a template for you that you can just use that exactly has the column headers that you'll need. So you need date, you need Amazon revenue, D2C revenue, TikTok revenue, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Amazon ads, Google ads as columns in order to make it work, and then you fill it out. If you don't have any revenue, no worries, you can just leave it blank. If you don't have any spend, no worries, you can just leave it blank. I hope that you at least have one channel, Amazon ads and Amazon revenue. Then you can still use it, but it's, probably doesn't make sense to use it if you just have one channel. So this is the revenue side, the left side that you'll need, the channel performance data by day. And then on the right side, the goals, they come as a monthly data. Because usually you're not setting daily goals, you set monthly goals for revenue and for budget. And this is how it needs to look like. You need to have your year as that. Column headers need to be month, revenue goal, marketing budget. And then you just put in the numbers that your goal is. You download both these sheets as a CSV. And then you go in here, you upload your daily data and you upload your monthly goals. And voila. This is how you can use the tool. Really quick introduction on what you can see here. Over here you have the total metrics aggregated across all of that. The next section is your run rate for your current month. Current month not means this month right now. It means like what was your last date that you uploaded. I uploaded, the last date was like the 11th of February. So, in my daily data, I just did like, until 11th of February. That's why current month is February 2025. It looks at current month to date revenue and it forecasts that based on the linear daily average forecast. And then it says, okay, when we end the month with 49,000, what was our goal? 110, right? Let's look back at our goal here. Oops. Our goal was 110,000 in revenue. That's 55% below the goal. Current month to date spend, forecasted spend by the end of the month for February, this would be 83% under budget, under spending. Now, in this section here, you'll see your daily, weekly, or monthly, so you can select what you want to look at. Breakdown of revenue, total spend, and then revenue by channel, spend by channel. And down here, you have all the data aggregated in a table. Also, depending on what you select, either in a daily view, daily grain, some would say, or weekly, or monthly. And that's it. That's how you use the tool. Remember, this is version 1. There will be other versions coming where I'll add a few more usability and maybe a few more charts. Thanks for listening and enjoy the tool. Bye-bye.